Union and Win. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northeastern East Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, West Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Goodwill, or 12 miles west of Oak Grove, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Oak Grove and Forest around 1:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Kilbourne around 1:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gasaway and Milliken around 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Shelburne around 2:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Morehouse and West Carroll.